Rich, creamy, and packed with parmesan, this easy crockpot recipe with ground beef turns a handful of simple ingredients into the coziest pasta dinner your slow cooker has ever made. Hey friends, you and I today are going to make a creamy slow cooker beef pasta recipe and call it a casserole recipe dinner. Let's call it dinner. You're going to love this recipe because I guarantee 99% of you have all of the ingredients right there in your house, right in your pantry. So we're going to use ground beef. We're going to make a nice creamy mushroom sauce. We're going to also have some tender pasta in there. It's all going to come together. We're going to lay Parmesan cheese on top. It's delicious. You've got the ingredients. It's going to come together great in a slow cooker crock pot. So you're going to be able to kind of dump it and go. So let's get into it. We begin by adding olive oil to a pan and a diced onion. We're going to fry the onion until it becomes tender, and then we're going to add minced garlic in, and we're going to cook that until it becomes fragrant. Next, we're adding our ground beef, and we're going to brown the ground beef along with the onion and the garlic. Now I'm going to drain the grease from the ground beef and then put the ground beef in the bottom of a crock pot. And then I'm going to get a mixing bowl and add 1 can of mushroom soup to the mixing bowl. After the can of soup is added, we're going to add beef broth, about 1 cup. There we go. And then after that, we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And I think you could use milk here if you'd like to. And then after that, we're going to add in some salt. We're going to add in some pepper. And then we're going to add in some dried basil. And then right behind that, we're going to add in some dried oregano. Now we're going to whisk these ingredients until they're well combined. And this becomes the nice base of the sauce, that nice creamy slow cooker beef pasta sauce, because we're going to drape the whole ground beef mixture in the crock pot with this mixture that we have here that we're whisking up. So next, we're going to make sure our crock pot is on low, and we're going to take this whole mixture and we're going to pull that crock pot back over here under the camera. There we go. And now we're going to pour the mixture onto that ground beef inside the crock pot. We're going to make sure that all of it gets there in the crock pot. And then we're going to put the top on the crock pot, and it's going to cook on low for 5 hours. So I have it set on low for 5 hours. All right, folks, here's a recipe card for you to take a quick screenshot of on your mobile device or your iPad. That way you've got the creamy, slow cooker ground beef pasta right on your device for your convenience. And hey, listen, if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell so that I can see a little bit more of you. Now, we have placed the recipe card inside the video here. In your video description, you also have an opportunity to join a membership on my channel where you get early access to my videos, you get cool emojis to use, and a personalized badge. Supporting my channel allows me to bring you more cool videos each and every day. The join button is on the main channel dashboard and it says join. You'll follow the prompts and join the channel. So welcome aboard and thank you very much for supporting my channel. All right, friends, here is the last step for our creamy ground beef pasta, crockpot pasta. So this has been on low for 5 hours. So the next step is I have cooked noodles. So I've cooked my noodles, unlike the video we did yesterday or a couple days ago, put the cooked noodles in and they cooked here but this recipe, you cook the noodles and then add it in here at the end is what I'm trying to say. So we're going to add this in, we're going to stir it. And then I'm also going to add in my full cup of Parmesan cheese. We're just going to mix this in. Well, it smells really good.
It sure does.
That's my camera guy. I gotta love him. He's so funny. Oh yeah, look at that. It's all coming together now. That hamburger. I had to get the hamburger up from the bottom there. Yeah. So if you're catching me in this video, I want to know where you're watching from. Maybe it's Australia, maybe it's Pennsylvania, maybe it's Kim watching from Cleveland. All right, so I'm going to mix that all in. You can kind of see that cheese just started to melt. You can see it on the paddle here on my, it's all kind of melting and coming together. And then she's ready. So you could let this sit all together for a few minutes because it's piping hot, to let the seasons kind of, or the seasoning marinate a little bit, but you wouldn't have to. What you can do is just take this right out of the crock pot and serve it up, which I'm gonna do right now. So all right, friends, so now we're gonna scoop this up. Look how delicious that looks. And we're gonna taste it together. So this one's easy. I would say like 99% of you would probably have the ingredients right there in your pantry. I mean, it's just a handful of ingredients and a couple pinches of seasoning, right? Some salt and pepper. So this is a super easy one to throw in the morning or by noon, and then you've got a hot dinner, right? Nice ground beef hot dinner, easy dinner.
Some bread and butter, you're all set.
Right. Let's taste this. A lot of times I see that people are asking or requesting or searching for easy recipes. So this one's easy. I say everything that I pretty much film is easy, but some get a little bit more deeper, more ingredients, you know. But this is like beginner friendly. I feel like I'm going to burn my lips because I can see the steam coming off of here, but it smells good. Oh yeah, sweet. It's almost very nice to have a slow cooker crock pot recipe that has minimal ingredients, because you can really just taste the flavor of everything that's in there. So you don't have a whole lot of things competing, right? Like some of our taco recipes, I mean, that's like a whole party in that crock pot. This is very, very nice and simple. Very, very nice, pleasing taste. That ground beef is seasoned just perfectly. The noodles are great. That cheese, the creamy mushroom soup, and the heavy whipping cream. I mean, it's delightful. It's a nice, nice dish. All right, friends, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.